Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing Drumstick Dal. Ingredients. List 1. List 2. List 3. And list 4. Preparation. Peel the drumsticks. Cut into 2-inch long pieces. Method. Add the washed Toor dal, water, turmeric powder and curry leaves into a pressure cooker. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles and then set aside to cool. Open only after all the pressure from the cooker has been released naturally. Add in the tamarind, which you can adjust to taste, green chillies, green coriander and salt. Mix. Add hot water and drumsticks. Boil until the drumsticks are cooked. Heat oil in a wok. Add cumin seeds, garlic and ginger and fry. Add in the chopped onions and fry until it turns light brown. Add in the cumin seed powder, chilli powder and coriander powder. Continue to fry. Add in the tomatoes and fry. Cover and cook on low heat until the tomatoes turn soft. Add in the boiled dal. Adjust the consistency of the dal to your liking by adding the required amount of water. Cover and cook. For the seasoning, heat oil in a small vessel, drop in the mustard, crushed garlic, Asfoetida and Dry Chillies. Fry until the garlic turns light brown. Drop in the curry leaves and continue to fry. Drop the seasoning over the dal. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Add salt, green chilies and tamarind or lemon juice to adjust the taste to your liking. Garnish with freshly chopped green coriander. Serve with rice, mango pickle, papad and curd chilies, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.